Hello, friends! It's great to have you back. Today's episode is all about the incredible power of gratitude. We're diving deep into the various ways we can say thank you in our everyday conversations. Have you ever noticed how just saying thank you can totally transform the vibe? It's almost like flipping a switch on someone's mood.
Oh, wow. Yeah, totally. Like, when you help someone out and they just brush it off, it's like, wait, I did something nice. It feels so, I don't know, ignored?
Exactly. It's like you're adding a sprinkle of kindness into the conversation. Let's jump right in.
Okay, so, what's the first phrase?
First up, let's talk about the simplest expression, Camille. Thanks. It's short, casual, and perfect for friends and family.
Right. And then there's thank you. That sounds like the big brother of thanks. More polite, right?
Absolutely. And think about it, when your friend hands you a glass of water, you naturally say, thanks.
Oh, I see it now. And if a worker at a shop helps you, you'd say, thank you, right?
Exactly. And if you're feeling extra grateful, you might want to use phrases like, thanks a lot, or thank you so much. Imagine a friend waited for you at a cafe. You'd say, thanks a lot for waiting.
Ooh. Or like if your teacher stayed late to help you, you could express, thank you so much. That was incredibly kind.
That's right. Here's a little dialogue. Excitedly, I printed your ticket.
Thank you so much. Beaming. Oh, I love how that sounds.
Now, when you want to specify what you're thanking someone for, you can use thanks for or thank you for.
Got it. Like, thanks for the message. Huh, I like it. What else?
You're on a roll. How about thanks for the ride? Or even thank you for your help.
Exactly. So cool. Gesturing in excitement. Can we also say, I can carry your bag?
Now let's talk about something a bit more formal. The phrase, I appreciate it, carries a lot of weight.
Oh, that sounds classy. Chuckles. It's perfect for professional settings.
Absolutely. For example, saying, I appreciate your time is sincere and shows respect.
Nodding. Here's a dialogue I can think of. Thank you for your email. I appreciate your time.
That's right. And the response could be, thank you, I appreciate it. It's a lovely exchange.
And what about that other phrase? That's very kind of you. It sounds warm.
Exactly. You'd use that when your neighbor brings over cookies. You could say, that's very kind of you. Thank you so much.
Ah, like if someone offers to give you a ride, you say, that's very kind of you. Thank you.
Now let's shift gears. How do we respond when someone says, thank you?
You could say, you're welcome, or no problem. Right?
Yes. Or try, my pleasure, or anytime. It's like a gratitude buffet.
Laughs. So many options. Give me an example.
To wrap up today's lesson, we've explored various ways to express gratitude.
It's been so enlightening. So what are the key phrases, Sarah?
Let's do a quick recap. Thanks, thank you, thanks a lot, thank you so much, and thanks for.
Quickly. Thank you for. And I appreciate it. Wow, this is fun.
Yes, and don't forget, that's very kind of you.
Counting on fingers, and let's include you're welcome, no problem, my pleasure, and anytime.
Perfect. I challenge our listeners to practice at least one of these phrases in their lives today.
Ooh, that's a good idea. Who do you want to thank today?